What's up guys, your boy Big A here coming at you with another video. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys some awesome castings I picked up recently. Some of them I picked up while I was out in the wild. Others were gifts from my wife, and a couple of others I picked up online. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, first one up is this awesome Porsche 911 Carrera S. As you can see, it's rocking a very nice yellow color. It's got a black interior. It's got the opening door and opening hood. It's rocking a pretty cool rack on top. It's got a set of skis up there. Very nice. Check out the taillight detail. Very cool. Let's check out the front detail. So you can see this one has the lenses. Very nice. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm not very fond about the wheels, but overall it's still a very cool casting. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Next one up is this awesome Nissan GTR. This one is rocking a very cool metal flake purple. It's got a black interior. It's got opening doors, opening hood. It's got some cool sponsors on the doors and right there. It's got some pretty cool wheels. Let's check out the taillight detail really quick. It's got the Nissan badge between the taillights. It's rocking a cool little spoiler. Very nice. Let's check out the front really quick. Check that out guys. Very nice. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Alright guys, so here we have another Nissan GTR. This one is rocking an awesome matte purple. It's got a black interior, opening doors, opening hood. It's got the number 7 on the doors here. I'm not very fond of these wheels guys. I'm definitely going to do a wheel swap on this one. Check out the taillight detail guys. Very cool. It's also rocking a very cool spoiler. Check that out. It's also rocking some pretty cool detail on the front as well. Let me know what you guys think about this one guys. Like I said guys, overall it's a pretty cool casting. It's the wheels that in my opinion don't do it any justice. Alright guys, next one up is this awesome Porsche 934. Alright guys, as you can see, this car comes in a very cool forest green. It's got a black interior, opening doors. It's rocking the Valiant sponsors on the doors on the top, and it's rocking a couple of more just above the fenders on both sides. It's got some more decals on the hood. Check that out. Check out the detail on the front as well guys. Very cool. Let's check out the back really quick. Check out the tails. Very nice. It's got a nice little spoiler there. Very cool. Gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not digging the wheels on this car either, but that's what wheel swaps are for. So let me know what you guys think about this one guys. Next one up is this awesome 1970 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. This one comes in a light lime green color. It's rocking a black interior. Check out the wheels and the detail around the tires guys. Very cool. It's got some very nice headlight detail and fog light detail. Check out the hood. Very cool. I'm really digging this hockey stripe on the back. Very cool. Check out the taillight detail guys. Very cool. Next one up is this awesome 1967 Shelby GT500. This one is rocking a cool navy blue color. I'm really digging the white stripe at the bottom of the door there. I'm also digging the racing stripes it has all across the middle there, the hood, the top, and on the back. Let's check out the front details there. Check that out guys. It's got some very nice detail on the headlights and the fog lights. The wheels are pretty cool. It's got some very nice details on the tail lights. I want to give a huge shout out to my wife Lorena. She gave these to me as an anniversary gift, so I'm very excited to have these in my collection. Babe, thank you very much. I love you. These are very cool castings for sure. Alright guys, I also picked up this awesome 1955 Chevrolet Ballard Gaster. This is a winter edition. As you can see, it's got some snowflakes on the side of the car. It's rocking the cool Coca-Cola decal on the doors. It's got a red interior. Check out the red stripes on the top, and it has a large Coca-Cola bottle on the top. Check out the front details guys. As you can see, it's got the red headlights, chrome grille, and bumper. Very cool. And check out the Coca-Cola and snowflake details on the back. And check out the taillights and the chrome bumper guys. This is an awesome casting. So I picked this up at a Walmart guys. It was the only one there. I'm sure they got a shipper because they usually get them around this time of year for the holidays. So let me know what you guys think about this casting. I absolutely love it. I can't believe that somebody left it behind. Gasters are the first ones to go, so I'm very happy to have this in my collection. Alright guys, next one up is this awesome 2020 Mustang Shelby GT500. And yes, this is a red machine, Target exclusive. As you can see, it's got the limited edition sticker. This one is rocking a very cool Spectre Flame cherry red color. It's got some dark windows all around. It says Muscle Machines around the tires. Very cool. Check out the front details, guys. You can barely see the snake on the grill. Very, very cool. Let's check out the rear details, guys. It's got some nice tails, nice exhaust pipes, and a cool spoiler in black. Very, very cool. Alright guys, last but not least, bang. This is an awesome 1962 Corvette. As you can see, it's rocking a very cool Spectre Flame turquoise. It's got some cool decals on the sides. Check out the racing stripes on the hood and on the back. It's rocking a black interior. Check out those awesome 5-spoke wheels. Very, very cool. It's got the TH right here. Very, very nice. Check out the chrome detail on the bumper. It does lack some details on the tails, but that's okay. The Super's a super, guys. Check out the details on the front. It's got a cool chrome grille and chrome bumper. Very, very nice. It is lacking some detail on the headlights, but that's okay. It's still a very awesome casting. So Collection Toys, buddy, this is for you. I posted this car on YouTube, and Collection Toys hit me up. It's like, hey bro, where's the video? This car is worthy of a video, so come on, let's go. So yeah, so this is for you, Collection Toys, and thank you for encouraging me to make a video to show off this awesome casting. It's definitely worthy of a video. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Happy Halloween. Be very careful, be safe out there. God bless, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.